I've noticed that in my travels, attending conferences, being in forums with other doctors, that everyone is focused on managing symptoms, which is very important. Don't get me wrong, hugely important. But when there is no hope of a road out, then if you don't, as a practitioner, if you don't believe it, your patients pick up on that. And then they also start languishing in the medical model of despair. And that's no place to live. No place to live. And, I've been pleasantly surprised with the stories of recovery that come out of CFS Health. Like you said, I've been involved with you guys for quite a while now, and the stories are real. The patients are real. Some patients do recover, and so we just need to try and bottle whatever that is. And we know some of the ingredients. We know that support's important. Hope is important. Establishing a baseline, being kind to yourself, compassion. And notice all the words that I'm talking about has more to do with here, the mind, and the heart, and the proverbial hug that you get given by the community that you surround yourself with. So I'm not saying that diet, supplementation, grounding, whatever don't work. Of course they do. They're all part of the stack. And I think we just have to just introduce people to the idea that there are options out there to try. No guarantee, but have some agency. That's, I think, what you do very well at CFS Health.
We speak this in our model, the CFS Health model, and one of the things we talk about is 70% of the chronic illness population are really focused on one thing, and that is symptom management and quick fix solutions. How can I get rid of my leg pain? How can I get rid of this? And it's useful, like you said, it can be helpful to manage, but it's a really surface level, shallow conversation. The deeper conversation is, well, what does possibility look like? What's the pathway look like? And what does progress look like?